Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way we sequence videos, ChatGPT. Whether you're a content creator, a video editor, or just curious about optimizing your video projects, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with interactive brainstorming. Instead of just generating a list of ideas, we can have a dynamic brainstorming session with ChatGPT. This allows us to explore different angles and niches more effectively. For example, let's say we're thinking about creating a tech review video. So I'll start by asking ChatGPT down here in the input box, saying, what are some unique angles for a tech review of the latest smartphone? And now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this. So here's ChatGPT suggest angles like privacy and setting, gaming performance, user experience and interface design, price versus performance. So yeah, these are quite a handful yet helpful list of ideas or angles for a tech review video. But we don't stop there. We can dig deeper. So I'll ask follow-up questions to refine some of these ideas. So let's say, let's see what we could do with gaming performance, that is. Let's click this one just to be more specified. Then we paste our next prompt here. So here's the prompt that I put together. How can we creatively showcase gaming performance with this smartphone? Let's make it more specific since it's a tech review, video, smartphone product per se. So let's see how this would turn out. And so, as ChatGPT provides more detailed responses, we're able to refine our ideas and discover unique content angles. So, this interactive approach not only sparks creativity, but also help us uncover fresh perspectives that might not come up in a traditional brainstorming session. So, with interactive brainstorming, we engage in a dialogue with ChatGPT, allowing us to explore and refine ideas dynamically, and with this method can significantly enhance the originality and depth of our video content. Next, let's move to spontaneous structure creation. Instead of meticulously planning out every detail, we can input a rough idea into ChatGPT and see how it organically structures the content. This approach can lead to innovative and unexpected video structures. For example, let's say we have a rough idea for a tech review, video that is. I'll input down here in this box in here. Outline a spontaneous tech review for the latest smartphone. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work based on my prompt right here. So as it's currently processing, here ChatGPT quickly generates an outline. So let's take a look. Let's see, performance, display, there's the camera system, battery life, and there are other additional features here and there. Great. So this spontaneously generated structure is well organized and covers all the essential aspects of a tech review. It also introduces elements like software and user interface, battery life and charging. There's the performance, display, and yeah. So to make it even more engaging with the outline of this spontaneous tech review, we can ask ChatGPT again for specific ideas within each section. For example, here's what I asked. Here's the prompt that I put together. Suggest some unique camera system scenarios for their smartphone. So with this, let's see how ChatGPT would provide some more in-depth information based off this one in my prompt here. Let's go. So here, ChatGPT suggests scenarios right here, like macro photography, portrait photography, like painting from that section, videography scenarios, so on and so forth. And yeah, these specific ideas make our content richer and more relatable. So by using ChatGPT for spontaneous structure creation, we can quickly generate a comprehensive and engaging outline. This method not only saves time, but also brings in fresh and creative elements that enhance our video content. So if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's dive into one of the most exciting aspects of video creation, enhancing dialogue and engagement. ChatGPT, once again, can simulate conversations and interview scenarios, adding a dynamic element to your videos. For example, let's create a dialogue between a tech expert and a beginner discussing the features of the latest smartphone. So I'll type or put together, then paste my next prompt here for this segment. So I'll say, generate a dialogue between a tech expert and a beginner about the new smartphone features. So now it's all up to ChatGPT to generate the dialogue itself. So here's what ChatGPT come up with. Here it is. This is how it processes with the dialogue and interaction between these two. So yeah, these simulated conversations can make your videos more engaging and relatable. By incorporating realistic dialogues, you create a connection with your audience, making the content more interactive and easier to understand. You can also personalize these dialogues further by tweaking the responses to match your style and tone. With this, it ensures that the content feels authentic and resonates well with your viewers. It's all up to the last segment. Let's go. Transitions are essential for maintaining viewer interest and ensuring a smooth flow between different sections of your video. With ChatGPT, once more, we can explore creative and thematic transitions that add a unique touch to our content. For instance, let's enhance our tech review video with innovative transitions. I'll type or put together my prompt, then paste it here, like, suggest creative transitions for a tech review video focused on innovation. Once more, let's see how ChatGPT would provide us with all the information and how it's structured with the suggestions of creative transitions. Let's go. And so here are some of the creative transitions ChatGPT suggests. Let's go with innovative zoom and pan. There's morphing icons, 3D rotation, so on and so forth. Yeah, these creative transitions not only enhance the visual appeal, but also keep the content dynamic and engaging. By integrating these creative transitions, we elevate the overall production quality and ensure a polished, cohesive viewing experience. It's these little details that make a big difference in how your audience perceives your content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using ChatGPT for video sequencing in innovative ways. By integrating this tool into your workflow, you can unlock new creative possibilities and produce high-quality videos with ease. That's about it for today, everybody. See you all next time.